either. Okay. So the landscaping around the property has been overgrown for probably the last 30 years or so. It was just going to be so much work and time for Jason and I to try to get all of it cleaned up and fall the trees that were dead or just not doing well. So we ended up getting a company out here to take care of the trees and the big parts of the landscaping, and kind of give us a clean slate to work with. And then we did a lot of stuff by ourselves and with friends, but it's starting to look a lot better, and it was fun to watch some of the dead trees come down and give us a space to start enjoying the property a little bit more and get some ideas of what we want to plant and what we want it to eventually look like. This tree company did an amazing job. They took what probably would have taken Jason and I a good month of work to try to get this cleaned up, and they did it in half a day. And they were fantastic to work with, super nice, super efficient, and we were so happy that we went with them. Thank you so much to I'm In Tree Service in McKenna, Washington. You guys are amazing and efficient and knowledgeable, and you did a fantastic job.